1. Hello everyone, welcome back to Q and Daddy. I'm Q, and today I'm playing Noob Train. And yeah, I've got 20 noobs, obviously. I could change whoever follows me. Oh my lord. And watch this. Whoa. Awesome. Well, I'm going to change my walk speed to 100 because that's boring. Here we go. Gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going so fast. So let's see if I can. That's good. Him in the bar. That's gonna jump through him. Trying to run away from my noobs. Trying to run. Oh gosh. Hang on. What's happened here? Oh, there we go. And I'm going to change who follows me to another YouTuber called Women Delicious. It's actually the way it's spelled, if you want to find him. There we go. And there he is. His character hasn't loaded properly. So here we go. Oh gosh, I'm so fast. Oh gosh. Oh, help me. Help. Oh gosh, run. So I'm going to try 200 power. That's good. Oh, Lord! Oh no. I'm knocking them away. So cool. I actually don't know. Oh, they're following me. Finally. Wee. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to try 300 now. Oh my gosh, I'm so fast. Oh, hang on. 300. How did they find me? Okay, so now I've got, oh no, 20. 20. Thank you. Now I've done that. Anyway, I'm just, recording on it. Anyway, just gonna change it once again. And here we go. Well, I'm just gonna change it once again. I'm just gonna change it again. Oh no! I forgot! No! Kawaii? There we go. I don't know how to spell kawaii. And then I'm gonna do equal. There we go. Oh my gosh! And I'm gonna do one more. I've experimented. Now I'm gonna do a different one from the channel. So I'm just gonna do that. Oops, wrong one. And I'm now gonna do that. One, and then there we go. And there he is. Anyway, here we go. Time to experiment. I don't even know where they are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, now I'm gonna do a different one. What was it? This is Ajie's name on dogs. And oh yeah, that's him, I think. Oh yeah, he's changed a little bit since the last one. Oh gosh. This is awesome. Oh lord. Help me! Oh gosh. So many. Oh! Let's see if I can. Oh no. Oh no. Anyway. Oh no. I'm just gonna spawn myself like 100 times now. Literally. Oh gosh. There I am. But my character doesn't know properly. I'm just gonna experiment here. As you can see, there's a pink and red line around my face because I've got the rainbow aura. But look, it doesn't fit right on these noobs here. Well, might as well spawn 100 of them. Here we go. Oh gosh, you can see the. Gosh, it is lagging so much. Oh gosh, it feels like it's frozen. I'm probably gonna get like 15 FPS per second. Now I'm away from those sussy. Oh no. Go! Go! I can't. Every time I get near them, my FPS keeps going down and down and down and down. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh, help me. So I'm gonna do something that I don't remember who it is. If you saw on the on a video, my doors in private server video, I had someone called Mr. Chugganut on it, but he said hello, but he was too far away from the microphone, so you couldn't hear him in the video. Oh gosh, look at the noobs! Ah, this is exactly what I want. Just want to be surrounded by noobs. Well, actually, I'm gonna spawn one, but I'm gonna change it. Just have, do you know, this is what I feel sometimes. There's someone to follow me around. A doge. This is absolutely perfect. Just gonna close a jar on one of my favourite biscuit tins. And okay. Oh. Oh Lord. As you can tell that my mouth is full. Someone who will remain nameless until a few episodes, or who is who from me, yeah. But I have to do something. Oh no, not the noob size. There we go. This is how I am in real life. But this is what I look like in real life. Oh gosh. Look at the days. Hurry. The doji's trying to follow me. No, 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 no. Such a sussy doge. How did he know? How did he know? How did he know? Okay. First, I'm going to reset my noob size. That's not actually what I look like, obviously. Oh, Lord. I'm going to change it to 1,000 now. Because I just want to get this doge off me. 1,000. Now I know. No. No. Oh, gosh. Okay. First of all, I got to get up here. Now I need to get up this ramp at some point. Now I need to turn it to 100, and we'll see him. Oh, he's coming! He's coming! What did he find me at least? Oh, no wait! Oh, there he is! Oh gosh! Do you see how far we are now? And look, the game actually syncs it to see how far we have to be. But well, guys, seems like we're gonna have to end it here. But we'll see you in the I'll see you in the next one. Bye.